Hi everyone, I'm Tim Randall, the Director of Product Management here at Milyli, and today we're going to look at how Blackout Analyze can be used to demonstrate that a Blackout project would be a great way to supplement the PII redaction workflows in your case. In this video, we're going to create a new Blackout Analyze project, upload a CSV rules based on names being reviewed for redaction, and get a sense of how much work can be automated by Blackout. To get started, navigate to the Blackout Analyze tab in your workspace and click on New Analysis. So for this particular analysis project, we're going to be taking a look at names within our document set that we've done some different work up front to tag these documents as potentially or verifiably containing different names that need to be redacted. So we'll call this PII name analysis. And then for our save search, we're going to go with our PII pre-screen save search. Now this shows us that we have about 90 documents in this, and these are the documents that we're going to be running our rules against. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a rule for my own name. So after adding that, I'm then going to upload a CSV file that I got from support.milyli.com that's been filled out with names that were identified in our first pass review of these documents. So I'm going to click Upload Rule CSV File, select our CSV, and almost instantly all of the rules from that CSV file are added to our list here so that we can page through them, see what's on here. Additionally, we had a regex in here, so the regex is automatically set up for us. We can see the rule source, so manual versus the CSV. And we can also filter this. So if I wanted to see just this email regex, I can filter this label and see just that one. We can also filter on the rule type. So if we want to take a look at just the regexes, we can do that as well. The goal here is to make it so that it's extremely simple for you to add manual rules, upload multiple CSV files from multiple sources, and get all of the rules in here that you're going to use to analyze these documents while you're going through the process of validating Blackout for this particular case. So I'm good with this. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. I'm going to click the Run button, and this is going to put the project into the Blackout agent queue. We're going to prepare these documents, and then we're going to analyze all the text for them. And as you can see, this is a super fast process. So we get through pretty quickly, and we get our results, and we are now ready to look through these results and get an idea of how easy it would be to use a Blackout project to redact all of these values on this case. So there's a couple things that we can do right away to validate the results here and get a sense of what work could be done by a Blackout project. Probably the fastest and most valuable one is exporting the results. So when I click on Export Results, we download a zip file that I'm going to unzip, and we'll go into the folder and open this CSV up. And what this gives us is it gives us a full overview of all of the exact matches that were made by our rules by this analysis project. So if I expand these out, we can see here that our rule or pattern, for example, Milyli, from this source matched on this document. The document is a docx. It's about 21 kilobytes in size. And we have the index, so the exact location from the beginning of the document where we found this match. We can also see that several of these other names and our email regular expressions also match several times. So now I can use Excel here to add filters, add pivots, and really get a sense of all of the different information that we are going to be tracking down with this Analyze project. And if we were to use these rules in a Blackout project, the exact values that would be redacted by this project. So after looking through that, we can also do a couple other things. Here we get a sense that there's some documents that don't have extracted text, so warnings were created. I can create a save search of the 71 documents of the 87 that were analyzed in order to target with a Blackout project. And I also can put together an estimate. So if you're using this to prove out to one of your clients that they should take advantage of Blackouts as a project and automate the redaction of these rather than doing it manually, we can type in your cost per document here into the calculator, take a screenshot of this along with the CSV, let them know that we're going to redact thousands of matches across hundreds of documents with these rules, and we can put those in a Blackout project and automate this whole process. This is a really easy, very fast way to validate Blackout for your clients, for your case, and get an understanding up front about how much work Blackout can do for you. Blackout Analyze comes in Blackout 4.4. I really hope that you get an opportunity to take advantage of this feature. Thank you so much.